$1 million. That's all it cost, $1 million to own the company that would eventually become worth $2 trillion. The meeting happened. The offer was real. And the most powerful internet company in the world looked at it and said, no, this is not a story about Google. This is a story about the people who had Google first. The internet exists, but nobody knows how to use it. 2 Stanford students decide to build a map for it. Jerry Yang and David Philo. They call it Yahoo. Within months, millions of people are using it. Within 2 years, Yahoo goes public and raises $33 million in a single day. By the late 90s, Yahoo is not just a website. It is the internet. News, email, finance, sports, shopping, everything online flows through Yahoo first. 300 million users every month. At its peak, worth $125 billion. They are not just winning. They are the game. 3 miles away, a garage at Menlo Park. 2 other Stanford students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, are building a search engine, but they don't want to run it. They're PhD students, and they want to finish their degrees. So they try to sell Google. They walk into Yahoo's offices. $1 million. That was the price. Yahoo says no, not because they couldn't afford it, because they didn't think search mattered. Yahoo's strategy was keeping people inside Yahoo. Search was just the door. Why pay for a better door? Page and Brin goes back to their garage, and they kept building. 2 years pass, then 3. Google keeps getting faster, cleaner, better. People start leaving Yahoo to search on Google directly, slowly, then all at once. By 2002, Yahoo's CEO Terry Semel is worried. He flies to Google's offices and puts $3 billion on the table. Page and Brin come back with a number, $5 billion. Semel stands up and walks out. $5 billion for a company making $240 a year felt like a bluff, but it wasn't. 2 years later, Google goes public. Day 1 valuation, $23 billion. Not 5, 23. The journalists write the same story everywhere. Yahoo had Google. Twice. They walked away both times. It wasn't incompetence. Yahoo had brilliant people. More money than Google had ever seen. What they had was certainty. The certainty that they already understood the internet. That search was just a feature. That Yahoo was the destination. That quiet, comfortable belief that they had already figured it out was the most expensive mistake in the history of technology. Google today is worth over $2 trillion. Yahoo's entire internet business sold for $4.8 billion, less than the offer they once rejected. 1 meeting, 1 number, $1 million. Why did they say no?